So welcome to First Time Feast. I got a fantastic one for you. Fall is right around the corner, and we're always looking for new exciting things to show and treat our families with. I'm gonna show you how to make a s'mores quesadilla. If you got yourself a Blackstone, that is fantastic. If you don't, there's other ways to do it. I'm sure you can figure it out, but I'm gonna show you the essentials for this simple, easy fall treat. Let's get it. All right, so when you're doing this, guys, my Blackstone is one of the 26-inch varieties, so I only have 2 burners. Some of you guys will have 3 burners. For this, since we're doing a Blackstone quesadilla, we don't want it to burn, but we do want to be able to melt our marshmallows and our chocolate on the inside with keeping that out exterior nice and golden brown. So we're only going to heat up one side of the Blackstone, leaving the other side off, so that way we have a hot area and a cold area. So what we're going to do, we're going to turn this guy on medium heat, turn on our flames, let this guy start warming up, and then what we're going to do, we're going to grab our market side burrito tortillas on our plate here. We are lacking the cutting board today because she is in the shop getting cleaned. Okay. All right, so we got our tortilla down. It's gonna be our main staple. Can't have a quesadilla without a tortilla. This is gonna be shareable, a 3-person treat. So go ahead, get your mini marshmallows. We're gonna open these guys up and we're gonna go ahead and lay down a nice little fistful of State Puff. Okay. So we got our marshmallows down. Make sure you spill them everywhere and make sure you give yourself some. You landed a couple. I was expecting all of those to miss. Squirrels would eat those. Nature's safe. You can use graham crackers or you can use the golden grams. It says a nice little handful of this. We're gonna go ahead, sprinkle those guys all in there. Tasty treats. Yummy. All right. And then we're just gonna go ahead and finish this off with some Hershey's chocolate chips. All right, so then we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle these guys in there. Okay, gorgeous. Now all we're gonna do is we're gonna fold this over like so. I know your kids are absolutely gonna love these. I don't have any kids, but I myself am a giant kid, so this is perfect for me. Our Blackstone with a little bit of duck fat. It's really nice and hot. Let's give her a nice little spray. Perfect coating. And then we're just going to gently pick her up and we're gonna lay her down. All right. So we're gonna let this guy sit for a good couple minutes, but we do want to close down the grill so that way it gives time for that chocolate and those marshmallows to kind of melt, right? So we're gonna let it melt. We're gonna check back on it here in just a couple of seconds. Where the magic happens. God, these tortillas smell good. Sorry. With some more marshmallows. Some marshmallows. And on this one, we're gonna be different, because different is cool. We're gonna go with Reese's. Ooh, piece of candy. We should do a s'mores crunch wrap. Hold. S'mores Reese's crunch wrap. Kind of see where it's kind of starting to melt a little bit. Sorry, just chewing on the beatus. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and give this first one a nice little flip. Looks pretty good, kind of impressed. What the fuck? Oh, it's from the Reese's. I'm like, this thing just turned gay? Like, what just happened? we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna check on our quesadillas and our crunch wrap. So she's looking frothy, needless to say. I think she's just about done. So we're gonna go ahead and pull her off. Stay. Cool. We did it. All right. So I'm telling you guys, so if you got kids at home or you just want to try something different, this is a fantastic way to start the day. Let's give it a try. Holy shit, melted syrup. Whew. Hot. Hot. That was a mistake for me. Hot. That was pretty good. That's so fucking hot. Alright, I gotta get. It's actually pretty good. Like, granted, the marshmallows completely disappeared and there's like nothing in there, but it's got a s'mores essence to it. You know what I'm saying? Ah! Let's go ahead and get our crunch wrap off. Dude, doesn't that look good? Freaking little s'mores Reese's crunch wrap. This is like perfect for fall, perfect for Halloween, perfect for the kids. It's something different. Give them a nice little treat, and it's really easy to make, guys. This took about 5 minutes to get this thing all put together for you. We're just gonna go ahead and cut it with our trusty pizza cutter. Look at that. Look at that. I kind of want to bite into that, but I think I'd also go to the hospital if I do that. It's so hot. Go. Cheers. All right. Anyways, burning myself. Thanks for watching. Check me out on the next one video. Peace.